Friday is your quiz. Okay, so we'll be doing some stuff this week. You'll have a little quiz on Friday. A couple of things they wanted me to announce on the right here. It's kind of small, so I posted it in Google Classroom, but I guess there's a pep rally Friday, pink or something. Big out pep rally, and then tickets for homecoming dance are $20 for 2 weeks, and then it goes up to $25. So if you want it to be cheaper, buy it sooner than later. That's the announcement. All right. Today we're continuing what we did Friday, which is this assignment for point slope formula equations. Okay. If you need it, and if you need the notes, they're in the blue bin, right? But here's an example of how to do it if you weren't here or if you forgot over the weekend. Okay. So first of all, point slope formula is this equation right here. You'll see this right here. It will work. It's not working. 1 second. There it is. Okay. So y'all see this right here? That is point slope form of a linear equation. So x1 and y1 are the x and y values of the point. M is the slope. So if you remember our notes from Friday, or if you have the notes that you can get out of the blue bin, first we take these 2 points, and do we start on the left or the right? Left, like you're reading. So here's the left point. I'm going to count the rise over run when it's a graph like this. So start on the left, and we're going to do rise over run. So everyone looking up here? So we're going to rise 1, 2, 3. Positive is up, and then it runs 1, 2. So my M is 3 over 2. Does everyone see how to find slope? You pick 2 points, start on the left, rise up and down, over run to the right. If it's up to the right, it's positive. If it's down to the right, it's negative. You got to be able to find slope on a graph. Step 2, I need a point, right? Point slope formula. So you can pick either point or any other point on this graph, okay? I like to pick the one on the left. So I'm going to pick this point right here on the left. All I need to write are what's the coordinates of those points, of that point right there. The coordinates of this point is 5, -2. Does everyone see that? This point right here, the coordinates are 5, -2. And those 2 numbers, that's my x1 and my y1. So now I have my M, which goes here. I have my x1, which goes here. My y1, which goes here. X and y stay the same. So let's go ahead and write the final answer here. Y minus, what's y1? What's the y value of this point? -2. So I already have a minus, and then I got to put -2. Does everyone know minus a negative turns into a plus sign? Okay, so minus a negative means it's going to be a +2 equals M, but we know M is 3 over 2, parentheses, X minus, and what's X1? 5. That's it. Okay, for today, yes, Friday and today, all we're doing is putting it in the form of point slope. In the next couple of days, you're going to be solving it, doing something with it. But at least for today, that's what you're doing. Find the slope. That's your M. Pick a point. Plug it into point slope formula. X1, Y1, and M. Okay? We did exactly this on the notes from Friday, so make sure you have those. I need you to finish Friday's assignment. Okay? Now, these other 2 are going in the grade book probably today and last week's warm-up. So your grades are updated with your corrections and missing work from last week. These 2 are going in with the warm-up from last week. So today you have time to work. Make sure you have every one of these done and turned in. Okay, you can check Skyward about these first 2. And here we go.